Hey guys, so today we are going to create a fall makeup look. We're going to start off by prepping our skin with the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. This primer is amazing. If you have not used it yet, I don't know what you're doing with your life. Like, I need you to get into it. So you're going to go ahead and just prep your face. You always want to make sure that your face is prepped and primed. Next, I'm going to take this setting powder by, I believe it's Beauty Creations. And I'm going to apply that all over my face. It is a loose setting powder. You want to make sure you dust off the excess powder from the brush before you apply it. The purpose of this technique is to help mattify the face. I know that they have mattifying setting powders. If you have one of those, you can go ahead and use it. Again, this will help with the longevity of your makeup. You know, if you want your makeup to stay on for a long time, if you're somebody who struggles with oily skin and you don't know what to do, this is a great technique to help with that. So once that is done and you look like a clown, you want to go ahead and grab your concealer. We are doing the underpainting method for this look. So placing all the concealer in my highlighting areas, that would be my under eye, both my under eyes, my chin, the upper lip area, and then my forehead. Basically all the places that I would want light to hit. Okay, so now time to blend it out. I am going to use a concealer brush. I think this is by Sephora, but you can go ahead and use a sponge if you feel like that is easy for you. You just go ahead and wet it, squeeze out the excess water, and then basically just use it to blend out the concealer. It's not hard, trust me. And because this is underpainting, you don't really have to worry about it being perfect. You just want to make sure you focus it in the right area. Clearly, I was jamming to something. I don't know what it was. So we're going to move on to contour. I am using the Juvia's Place foundation stick in the shade Congo. I apply that all over the perimeters of my face, basically where I want to dim, I guess. I'm going to go ahead and blend that out. Very simple. It's very easy. Keep it cute. Keep it where it's supposed to be, and you are good to go. Now this part is optional. I'm going to go ahead and highlight below my jawline. You do not have to do this. We are not going to forget the nose. Using the same shade I used to contour the rest of my face, I'm going to use that to contour my nose. This brush I have had for years. I love it. It's by Lorac. I don't even know if they still make it, but it gets the job done. So next we're going to move on to blush. I am using the Rare Beauty blush. I don't remember which shade this is in, but it's going to be in the description box below. You just want to go ahead and blend that out. Okay, so now we're going to move on to foundation. I am using the Bare Mineral foundation. It is very lightweight. The thing with underpainting is you always want to make sure that your foundation is lightweight. You can do a foundation or you can use a skin tint, whatever works for you, but you want to make sure that it's not a full coverage foundation. I'm going to go ahead and use a stifling brush to apply this foundation. You guys see the difference. The reason it's called underpainting is you basically do everything that you would normally do on top of the foundation underneath it before you apply the foundation. I hope that that makes sense. And the reason why you want to go in with a lightweight foundation or skin tint is because you want the work that you've done underneath to show through. If you go in with a full coverage foundation, then it covers up everything that you did, and that defeats the purpose because then you would have to go back in and apply your highlighter and your contour, which would be pointless. Okay, so this part is optional. I'm going to go back in and highlight my under eye just to make it a bit more brighter since it kind of got darker when I was blending everything out. It's very much optional. You do not have to do this. So I'm just taking a beauty blender and I'm just going to focus it right underneath the under eye area and just blend it. I'm also going to bring it up to my lid and use that as a primer for my eyeshadow. Okay, so now moving on to the setting of the face, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Setting Powder. And I am using this very old brush that I don't even remember where I got it from, but it is a flat top brush. And I'm going to use that to just press the powder into the skin right underneath my eye. So under my eye, basically all the places that I applied my concealer for highlighting, I am going to apply the powder. So the next couple of steps, I feel like everybody should know how to do already. But if you don't know how to do it, we're just bronzing out the face and I'm going to go ahead and bake. You do not have to do that part if you are not used to it or you don't know how to do it. You could just skip that part. Then I'm going to apply some blush and then that's it. We're going to move on to the eyes. So honestly, for the eyes, I did not do an in-depth tutorial because I didn't think you guys were interested. But if you are, let me know and I will refilm the eyes for you guys. I did use a Color Drain and the Huda Beauty palette for the eye to do this, I guess, like sunset look that I think is really, really pretty. So if you guys are interested in the tutorial, please let me know and I will do that for you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and dust off all the excess powders from my face and then go ahead and apply my mascara. This is the Benefit I think Bad Girl Bang or something mascara. I will leave it in the description box below. I am obsessed with this thing. So honestly, guys, I do not want this video to be long, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes, highlighter, and that is it. Set my face and I am good to go. Let me know what you guys think of the look, and if you guys want me to do any in-depth tutorial, just let me know and I will do that for you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!